Whenever you find tashdid on noon or meme, make a nasal sound. Bring a vibration to the nose. This is the right way of making gunna sound. Assalamu alaikum. There are 5 major areas of the human body where 17 different articulation points are located to produce the sounds of 28 letters. And those 5 areas are al-halq, al-lisan, al-shafatayn, al-khayshum, al-jawf. This is Makharij part 3. In this video, al-shafatayn, al-khayshum, al-jawf. 3 areas will be explained. Al-halq, al-lisan. These 2 areas are explained in previous videos. So, third major area of the human body is al-shafatayn, means the 2 lips. And the singular is shafatun. Shafatun. According to grammar, it is ash-shafatan in the condition of rafa and ash-shafatain in the condition of jar. We are saying ash-shafatain, making it in the condition of jar. No need to remember this, but explaining just to clarify. So ash-shafatain means the 2 lips. 2 articulation points are located here to produce the sounds of 4 letters. Articulation point number 1 is makhrajul fa. Fa. It is articulated between the inside of the lower lip and the tips of the 2 upper central incisors. Means wet area of lower lip touches the tips of the 2 upper central incisors. This is the articulation point for fa. Fa. And articulation point number 2 is makhrajul ba wal mim wal waw. Ba, mim, waw. Inner part means wet area of both lips touches each other to produce the sound of ba. Outer part means dry area of both lips touches each other to produce the sound of mim. And waw is articulated by forming a circle of the 2 lips. Waw I am talking about waw mutaharrika or waw layyina, not waw maddiya, because sound of waw maddiya is produced from al-jawf. You will know after a few minutes. So fa, ba, mim, waw. These 4 letters are called as al-hurufu shafawiyya because sounds of these 4 letters are produced from ash-shafatayn. So ash-shafatayn is one of the 5 major areas of the human body where 2 different articulation points are located to produce the sounds of 4 letters. And next is 4th major area of the human body. It is al-khayshum. Al-khayshum means the nasal cavity. The hole in the nose that continues back towards inside the mouth is called as al-khayshum. Gunna is articulated from here. What is gunna? Gunna is a nasal sound, not a letter. The sound comes from the nasopharynx without any influence from the tongue. If you hold your nose closed, you will not be able to produce the gunna sound. For example, this is inna. Inna. The nasal sound I am making is gunna of noon. And this is amma. Amma. The nasal sound I am making is gunna of mim. Whenever you find tashdid on noon or mim, make a nasal sound. Bring a vibration to the nose. This is the right way of making gunna sound. So gunna is also related with iqlab, ikhfa, ikhfa shafawi, idgham shafawi, and idgham bil gunna according to their rules. So al-khayshum is one of the 5 major areas of the human body where just 1 articulation point is located to produce the sound of gunna. Next is 5th major area of the human body. It is al-jawf. Al-jawf means the oral cavity. The empty space of the mouth and throat is called as al-jawf. This is an articulation point of huruful mad. These 3 letters are called as huruful mad. Waw sakin before which the dhamma is, and ya sakin before which the kasra is, and alif before which the fatha is. These 3 letters are called as huruful mad if they come with their specific harakat. So sounds of huruful mad are produced from al-jawf. For example, this is Hamza alif fatha. Ignore this remaining sound is coming from al-jawf. And this is e. Hamza ya kasra e. Ignore this e. Remaining sound is coming from al-jawf. And this is u. Hamza waw dhamma. Ignore this u. Remaining sound is coming from al-jawf. So al-jawf is one of the 5 major areas of the human body where just one articulation point is located to produce the sounds of huruful mad. So we have completed the lesson of makharij. In next video, inshallah, we will talk about al-huruful musta'aliyah. Till then, try to improve your tajweed. Ma'as salam.